Hey guys, hope you're doing well and amazing and God is protecting you all. My name is Lynette Nwarinda and I come from Uganda, East Africa. Uganda is a landlocked country bordering Kenya in the east, Congo in the west, and Tanzania in the south, and South Sudan and Somalia in the north. So right here where I'm seated, I have gift, y'all. All see this gift. So for a couple of weeks ago, we've learned that every Sunday I'm going to be blessing someone with a a few cents dollar gift, and we realized that above soap is most important because it lasts longer and it does multiple functions. You know, they can wash with this, they can cook, they can wash utensils with this, clothes, also bathing, and yeah, so I decided that I'm going to be doing this every Sunday. So it is a new month. Oh, by the way guys, happy new month. It's April. So we are going to be looking for a random person that will bless throughout the neighborhood, and I hope you guys will come along with me as we look for the person to bless, and we will see how it goes by. Okay, yeah, see you when we meet the person to bless. I'm putting on these mini gumboots because it actually rained a lot earlier ago, so yeah, they're kind of muddy, so this feels safer. Let's go. I think this is a nice flower. What do you all guys think? Of course it is. So let's go. Let's go. Jabaleko. Bakutte. I gifted someone. I'm actually seeing this lady seated there. She was the last person I gifted in March. In March, I gifted 3 people. I hope in May I will gift 4 or more because we do this every Sunday. And yeah, let's first check her out. Na mukwaya ani mpozi wali na mukwaya ani je balekonya wasibi otya onzijukira mpozi na mukwaya hawa ani naye nzijukira lya hawa oli bulungi kati kanoonya omulala nawe nja kukuddira nga ndeese kirala kale mukwano kale. So you all guys, that lady that I was talking to, she's the last person that I gifted in March. So I met her and I'm like, do you still remember me? She's like, aren't you the one that gave me a bar of soap? Do you know that is the most inspiring thing ever? So I can't actually stop doing this. It's like a calling, it's like a service, you know guys, what I'm talking about. So let's head out, let's see today whom we will bless. Yep, basically we are still on the hunt. Like literally this is like a hunt, you know, you just get out of your comfort zone and then you're like, today it's time to bless someone, and then you walk people that know you. No, we don't bless those that know us. Those ones, when they ask, we'll give them. But we literally look for someone that we don't know nothing about, you know? Like they are not expecting it. They don't even have it in any of their desires or whatsoever. And then those are the kind of people that we bless. So come along with me, guys. I'm telling you, every time I'm doing this, I feel so blessed to be a giver than to be a receiver. Trust me. However, yeah, Yeah, that's it. Yeah, come along, guys. Let's do this. Let's go. Today we must bless someone, that's for sure. So I'm headed out and I'm on this highway. It's actually a new constructed road somehow, and trust me guys, I don't know where the wind will blow us, but don't you think it would be amazing if we blessed someone this way with this gift? See where these guys are actually living. The water is logged here, and I told you guys it rained. Do you see the kind of houses they are living in? I mean, how would it feel like if we looked for someone and we blessed here? I think this is so soon. I should look for someone I should bless, and I don't know whom to bless. Holy Spirit, help me. Should I go here? Should I go there? Help me, Lord. Help me. So finally, guys, I got someone to bless. It took me like a couple of seconds to decide who to bless because houses were near each other. And the reason why I'm doing this voiceover is because when I'm speaking to these people, I always speak in a native language, in a local language, which I know most of the people that watch my videos, you might not understand what was happening. But right here, I was telling her, I was making my introduction, telling her who I am, what I always do every Sunday, and then of course I was going to gift her the soap, because it's rare for you, to just give someone blah, and then you walk away like nothing has happened, So I was definitely doing that, gifting her that bar of soap. And I told you guys the reason why we do a bar of laundry soap is because for us in Africa, that soap can do multiple things. I mean, you can wash clothes with it, you can wash utensils with it, you can even use it for bathing. It's on rare cases where you find some households have like a bathing soap aside of a bar laundry soap, So yeah, I always give this, and also it can take them like 2 weeks, or depending on how many people there are in the household and how often they wash. So it can take them a long time, to get, done, because that's the real reason why we do what? Give them that. Yeah, so okay guys, watch the video and continue to like, comment, and just enjoy the video. Kale mukwano mubeere bulungi. Kale dia. So guys, actually getting out of this place. I hope you guys saw the person that I actually blessed, and I'm going to tell you, it's the best feeling ever. If you are not giving nobody, definitely you want to receive from nobody, or you want to receive much more. So yeah, I thank God that even today we blessed someone, and we are going to do it the next week. We are going to be doing it every time we get the opportunity to do it. So yeah, it was the best feeling ever when you see yourself blessing someone, guys. It means the whole world. Like, you feel like you have impacted someone's life. So right now, guys, I'm headed home, and if you have watched this till this now, make sure you give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a beautiful comment. Guys, please, you subscribe. I'm headed to 1,000, and your subscription is very free, and it means the whole world. It means so much. It means that you support me, guys. So yeah, go on and subscribe, and I will surely see you in the next one. May God keep you, may God protect you, may God give you a long life. May we keep doing this, and yeah, be blessed. Love you. So guys, we are headed home. Let's go. Let's go. The sun is setting. You all guys seeing these black things? Those are little frogs. Are they little frogs? I don't know what they are. Let's go home. Nope. Okay. Let's go home. Let's go home. Woo. I love you guys. Let's go home. We have finished blessing someone, guys, and my heart is overjoyed. My heart is overjoyed. So let's go. Let's head home. Definitely. Let's head home.